What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll be showing you how you can move your base in Palworld. It's actually super simple. Assuming you've already built a base and got yourself set up, you may want to move to somewhere else on the map that's more convenient. For example, this is the starting island over here. Should you want to build somewhere up in these forests, in the deserts, etc., how exactly would you pick up your base and move it? Well, it's actually very simple. All you need to do is put down a new PAL box somewhere else to start up a new base. You can have multiple bases at once. For example, we've got one here, another one here, and at the very top somewhere, one up here as well. When you go to your PAL box, you'll by default only have one. You can hit V, which is the base upgrade option, to learn about how many bases you can have at the very bottom here. Assuming you only have one, then the only way to move your existing base is to enter build mode by pressing B and C to enter disassembly mode. Then you can click your PAL box over here where you'll get everything back that you used to craft it in the first place. Then you'll get a notification about this. If you're disassembling a PAL box with things built around it, it may destroy certain structures, PALs will disappear, etc. Before you do this, you'd want to interact with your PAL box and make sure you dequip everything in this bottom section here. Then you're able to deconstruct it, choose yes, and everything that's functional around your base will probably vanish or disappear. Structures, decorations, and things like that stay for the most part. As you can see on the map now, the icon is gone. If we build, head back to the PAL tab at the very top, followed by a PAL box, we can place this down somewhere else in our world, and after we build it, you'll see, interacting with it, everything's back to the way that it was before, and on top of this, our base level stays the same at whatever we were previously. So if you move your base, you can continue upgrading and progressing your base without having to rebuild all of the previous levels before this point. And of course, here it is on the map, and we can teleport between our other bases, just like that. Anyways, you now know how to move your base in Palworld. It's actually super simple and not dangerous at all for the most part if you know what you're doing. If you can, I'd highly recommend upgrading your base level so that you can get multiple bases, so you don't really need to worry about moving a base per se, but you can simply just create another outpost and slowly move everything from one point to another. If you can have two of these, using them to fast travel when your inventory is completely full is probably the quickest way to physically move your base from one location to another. Anyways, hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Mine's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.